What's up, guys? It's Austin here. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can make money using Redbubble. As you can see, I already have it up on the screen. And for those of you who don't know what Redbubble is, it is a print-on-demand service. And what a print-on-demand service is, it's a website where you can have them fulfill all of your orders. They print products for you. So you can see right now, you can see masks, you can see bottles, you can see shirts, you can see canvases, posters, clothing, all kinds of stuff. So you have access to them as a printing company to print t-shirts, just like what I have on right here. I have a shirt on that has screen print on it, and they are willing to do it for you at no cost to you until a sale occurs. So you pretty much just get paid royalties every time a sale occurs from your designs and stuff like that. You will then get a percentage of that sale. So all you have to do is come up with a design, you list it on their service or their website, you get access to a shop, a unique shop to you that you could drive traffic to, and anytime a sale is made, you receive money, Redbubble receives money, they fulfill the order and they send the order to the customer. So you don't have to do any customer service or anything like that. You don't have to buy shirts, you don't have to buy canvases, you don't have to buy phone cases, you don't have to buy pillows. So you have access to almost all kinds, almost unlimited amount of resources at your fingertips for you to have your own brand completely at no cost to you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. But first I need you to smash that like button for me to help the YouTube algorithm and help me. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. So let's dive into this. The very first thing you want to do is go to a website called Redbubble. And real quick, don't worry if you don't have any design skills and stuff like that. I'm going to teach you how you could do this without having to be a graphic designer. You can literally outsource graphic designing for like $2 to $5 per design. So you can start getting shirts and products created very, very cheap on another website we'll talk about later in this video. So first things first, go to redbubble.com, and on the top right hand side, you'll see the sign up link. You'll just want to click sign up and then join Redbubble. You'll want to click artist sign up right here. So highlight artist sign up and then sign up. Once you're signed up, you could just go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, this is exactly what it'll look like. This will be your dashboard. This will be like a new account. It'll be like, hey, welcome to Redbubble. First things first, you need to create products, set up your shop, and get paid. I'm not going to walk you through everything. We'll kind of just touch on the creating products in the shop a little bit. So right here, create products, you'll click add designs, right? And then you'll either want to upload new artwork or copy. Obviously, you want to upload some artwork. Again, if you don't have any artwork, we're going to get to that in just a minute, but I'm going to show you right here. If you have some artwork, let me move this just a little bit and I'm going to grab this and we'll upload that. So this is exactly what's on my shirt right now. And it completed. I obviously I didn't try to make this perfect. I didn't fit anything. But you'll scroll down, you'll put like a title in here and we'll just say shirt, right? You'll scroll down, you can see all the different products they have available. If you want to relocate the products in the image and like say you want to put it right here on the top left hand side, there's also the size of it. I didn't, again, like I said, I didn't resize this to fit. This was actually just an image I already had. So we'll put it right there. You can put the different shirt styles right there, but again, you can see them all right here. And then you could just adjust it a little bit and you can hit apply changes. So let's just say I want to have that kind of like up there on the top left hand side. I would just scroll all the way to the bottom. You can see there's all kinds of products here, so I don't want to go too fast. Use stickers, phone cases, pillows, and you would want to click this little enable button if you want to enable these in your shop, right? Something like that. And then you would just scroll down to the bottom and you could hit save work. But read this right here. Is this mature content? No, it is not. Default product is optimized recommended. Anybody can view this work or only you if you want to make it private, right? Then you have to click I accept the terms and just click save work. Once it saves your work, it'll be put into your storefront, which you could then later get out in front of an audience, right? So that's kind of the gist as how Redbubble works. I don't need that same work. And then you can see these are all my products right here, the different active t-shirt, the quarter baseball, different things right here. And then on the top right hand side, you have access to your, or I can go right here, manage portfolio. I've got two different products again, so you can see this one. Just click the little tab, hit view. It'll show you the different shirts, right? So I made this earlier. For an example, they got a little hoodie, they got a little wolf on them, it shows you right here. And it shows you the cost, right? So I could essentially just take this link and I could send traffic to this link and they can purchase this as long as my site is set up correctly. But I could also just send them directly to my storefront on Redbubble to where they can see all of my products that are available. So you can see available products 22. They can come in here. I can send them directly to the link. Once you get all of your stuff set up, so follow the steps inside Redbubble, where Redbubble is like, hey, step by step, upload your video or photos, pick your product, put your payment details in, because you can't sell anything until your payment details are in. So make sure you set your account up optimally and correctly so you could get orders and get paid. See, you can buy this work. I have to complete my profile, right? So if you come in here, complete your profile. Once your profile is complete, you could then drive traffic to that link, right? So let's talk about the designs. That's the most important part. So now you understand Redbubble is the place that is going to print all of your apparel, all of your products for your audience, right? So the very first thing you're going to need to do is get designs to upload to Redbubble, right? And again, I said you don't have to be a graphic designer. You could outsource this on a website called Fiverr, I don't know what they call it, but it's 5rr.com, right? And you could just go up here and type graphic designer, right? Something like that, hit enter. And then you can see these are graphic designers. That's probably too complex. Just put shirt design, right? Keep it simple. It'll pop up. And you'll see, I would do an eye-catching cartoon shirt design in your unique style. So you can see there's tons and tons and tons of people, freelancers out here selling their services because they've got these skills. Again, if you already have these skills, you know how to use Photoshop and you're very creative, you can go ahead and do this yourself. But if you don't have the skills necessary to do that and you'd rather just be an entrepreneur and outsource all this and not waste your time doing this, you can just come over here and pay somebody something like $5 to do simple images just like this, right? I'm the founder and I do what I want, right? $5, get one custom hand-drawn concept shirt. And you can see, and they probably deliver 2 days to delivery. You get them relatively cheap, 16 in queue, 400 reviews, 5 stars. So you can see that. Now you see how to get shirts created. You're probably wondering, well, I'm not too creative about designs. Well, you don't have to be. You could kind of mirror or we'll just say mirror what other people are doing. Get inspired by other things that are actually working. Don't have to reinvent the wheel, right? So you could go over to a website like Etsy and a website like Pinterest, right? So let's go to Pinterest, right? Type the word mom shirt in. Say hypothetically our niche is directed towards moms and parents. Obviously moms, because I wrote the word mom shirt. And you can come in here and just see what some of the shirts are that have been pinned. And you can see they're just quotes, right? Mom life, mama, mama's boy, mommy's cardio. Oh honey, I'm home. Excuse me. And mama needs coffee. So you could take these quotes and get inspired by them, either create your own, kind of same thing, but you see what's selling, right? You see what people want, and then you go create your own shirts on Redbubble, right? You could go over to Fiverr, again, have this person create them. If you have access to like Canva or Word Swag, you could do these word shirts really, really easy on those websites. Canva, Word Swag, super easy to do shirt quotes that you could then upload to Redbubble for the shirts, right? But if you want an actual graphic like this one, like this, that's actually gonna take you to the website. It was like a Reaper, right? Fear the Reaper. If you want something like that, I highly recommend you go over to like Fiverr and outsource it because it's a lot easier and it's really cheap. So another place for you to get inspiration from would be like Etsy, right? So come over to Etsy. I just typed the word shirt in. You can see if I type the word shirt in, these are what are ranking. This is what is currently selling. This is what people want. Excuse me. And let's just click one like this right here. Official teenager. Super simple to do. $22.50. Free shipping. 4,000 reviews. Just click the product. You can see what they're doing and what they're offering. Over 40,000 sales. You can click the boutique name. It'll bring you to their store, right? And then you go browse other products that she is currently selling inside of her boutique. So you can get inspiration from all of her other stuff that is selling. Over 20 people have this in their cart. Like that shows you, these shirts right here, people want them. Look how this shows you, it's highlighted in red. Over 20 people have this in their cart at this current time. So people are currently and actively searching for these types of shirts. So you could just go have these kinds of shirts created, the text, jump back over to your Redbubble account, right? Go up here to your profile, right? Sell your art, right? Add designs. and then upload your designs that you had created, right? And then create your storefront over here on Redbubble and let Redbubble do all of the printing, all of the customer service, all of the fulfillment, right? And you don't even have to do anything. You don't have to house inventory. You don't have to worry about being tech savvy. You don't have to worry about printing. All you got to worry about is getting traffic or audience over to your offer, right? So now that brings us to that. How am I going to get traffic? Well, you could do something simple like Instagram, social pages, TikTok, YouTube if you're willing to do YouTube videos. But let's just type like t-shirt, right? In Instagram, right? First thing that pops up, best t-shirts. They got 2,000 followers and they literally just post a bunch of t-shirts, right? So people they get noticed. They post t-shirts, people see them. If people want to buy these shirts, I'm sure they can. Here's a link right here. And it brings them to their website. Well, instead of it being your own website or whatever, it could be your own Redbubble shop. So you could just drive traffic to your Redbubble. You need to obviously post content out there, and this is a free way to do it. You could create Instagram pages for free. You could create Facebook pages for free. You could post videos on YouTube for free. You could do TikTok absolutely free. So there's so many ways for you to do stuff for free to get traffic, to start building that organic reach and that audience that you need, so you can start generating revenue and eventually start running advertisements and stuff of that nature to scale your business. So I really hope this helped. If you need any help at all with any of this, go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you like this, smash that like button. If you didn't like it, I'm sorry. But please do subscribe to all of our videos that are coming out. And thanks everybody for being here. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.